Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser V8, a legendary SUV that combines rugged capability with luxury. Whether you're conquering off-road trails or cruising through the city, this beast is designed for both adventure and comfort. Let's dive into what makes this model stand out. First up, let's talk about the key features. The 2025 Land Cruiser V8 comes equipped with a powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine that produces an impressive 381 horsepower and 401 lb-ft of torque. This robust powertrain is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing seamless gear shifts and responsive acceleration. Moreover, the Land Cruiser features a sophisticated four-wheel drive system with a Torsen limited slip center differential, ensuring maximum traction in all conditions, whether you're tackling muddy trails or navigating icy roads. Performance is where the Land Cruiser truly shines. It boasts an impressive towing capacity of up to 8,100 pounds, making it perfect for hauling boats, trailers, or any outdoor gear you might need. Plus, with an advanced suspension system, including KDSS, Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System, you'll enjoy a smooth ride even on the toughest terrains. The Land Cruiser also features multi-terrain select and crawl control, giving drivers the ability to tailor their driving experience to various off-road conditions. From sand to rock, you can conquer any environment with confidence. Now, let's admire the design elements. The 2025 Land Cruiser sports a bold, muscular stance with a commanding front grille and striking LED headlights. It's designed not just for aesthetics but also for functionality, with ample ground clearance and protective skid plates. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious cabin featuring high-quality materials and a modern layout. The spacious interior can comfortably seat up to 8 passengers, and the second-row seats can slide and recline for added comfort. The 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes with the latest Toyota audio multimedia, offering seamless connectivity and an intuitive user experience. The 2025 Land Cruiser V8 apart. Beyond its performance and luxurious design, it comes with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and a comprehensive suite of airbags. Toyota's Safety Sense P is also standard, providing additional peace of mind for all your adventures. Another unique selling point is its durability and reliability. The Land Cruiser has a long-standing reputation for being able to handle anything life throws at it, making it a favored choice among off-road enthusiasts and families alike. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser V8 is a remarkable blend of power, luxury, and advanced technology. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring remote landscapes, this SUV is engineered to excel in every situation. If you're in the market for a vehicle that offers both comfort and capability, the Land Cruiser should definitely be on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest cars. What do you think of the 2025 Land Cruiser V8? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this videos.